What's great about theater is that you can't do it without tech. Theater is collaboration, and without the collaboration from the lighting designer and the scenic designer and the sound designer and the director and the actors and the choreographer and all of that, theater wouldn't be what it is.
Everyone's telling a story. It's not just the actor on stage telling a story. The lighting helps tell the story. The set tells the story. The costumes tell the story. The prop tells the story.
All of these parts come together to make a whole production, and it's important that students know how they all fit together. Theater Tech program at COC is a really exciting program that we've just been able to bring together and actually offer a degree. We have classes in costumes, in scenic construction, in lighting, in being on a crew backstage.
I've learned a lot more about the process behind the scenes. The classes here give you the opportunity to work hands-on with that kind of professional equipment.
The staff and instructors at College of the Canyon, especially in the theater department, want the best of you. Having good leaders that don't just tell you what to do, but tell you how to do it and help you do it, that's what we have here.
One of my greatest joys is looking at the students' portfolios at the end of the semesters and looking at the progress, looking at the work grow, and being done saying, yeah, this is something you can take to an employer and say, look at what I can do.
College of the Canyon's theater program has literally set my life in motion. This is something I never thought I'd be able to do. And now I build sets almost every single day.
If you want to become part of something, theater is where it's at, and you get to see all of your hard work pay off.